In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your Zoho Books subscription in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to save some money or adjust your plan to better fit your current needs, downgrading your plan in Zoho Books is a straightforward process. I'll walk you through each step to make sure it's as easy as possible. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Zoho Books website. Open your preferred web browser and type in zoho.com/books into the address bar, or simply click on the link in the description if it's available. This will take you directly to the Zoho Books homepage, where you can begin the process of accessing your account. Once you've arrived on the Zoho Books website, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. You should see this option somewhere prominently on the homepage. It's typically located towards the upper right section of the screen. Clicking this will lead you to the sign in page, where you'll need to enter your login details to get into your account. Now, you will need to enter your email and password. Make sure you're using the same email address associated with your Zoho Books account. If you've forgotten your password, there is usually an option to reset it by following the prompts provided. For those with Google accounts, there's also the option to sign in using your Google credentials. This can often be a time saver, eliminating the need to remember multiple passwords. If you're signing in via Google, you'll need to click on your Google email address to proceed. If you're using a shared computer, make sure you're selecting the correct account to avoid any access issues. Once you've done this, you'll be redirected to your Zoho Books dashboard. Upon successful sign-in, you'll be on the Zoho Books dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your financial data. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this screen if you haven't already, as it offers a wealth of information about your accounts. Next, we need to navigate to the settings. Look for the settings option, usually represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu or take you to a new screen with various options related to your account. Once you are in the settings menu, you'll want to click on Profile. This section contains all your account details, including subscription information. It's where you'll find the options necessary for managing your plan. Within the profile section, click on Manage Subscription. This is the area where you can view all your current plan details and make changes as needed. It's here that we'll be able to initiate the process of downgrading your plan. Now, look for the option labeled Change Plan. Click on it to proceed. It's important to note that if you're currently not on a paid plan, you may not see the change plan or downgrade plan options. In such a case, you might still be on a trial or free version, which doesn't require manual downgrading. After clicking change plan, you'll be directed to a new page that outlines all the plan options available to you. Here you can compare the different tier offerings and their associated features and prices. Choose the plan that best fits your current needs and budget. Remember, downgrading may limit some features, so be sure to consider what functionalities you need most for your business or personal use. Once you've selected your desired plan, follow the prompts to confirm your choice. Zoho may ask for confirmation several times to ensure that you're making the right decision according to your requirements. Once you're satisfied, confirm your selection. Finally, be sure to review the payment details if applicable. Depending on the plan you select, there might be adjustments in your billing cycle or fees, so make sure to check these specifics. Confirm your changes and make sure everything is in order. And there you have it, you've successfully downgraded your Zoho Books subscription. Remember, you can always revisit this process if you need to make further changes to your plan in the future. If you encounter any issues or have questions, Zoho generally has a support service that you can reach out to for help. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for watching and have a great day.